Major, unsa man ngano, unsa nakalahi sa inyong race sa 7th Heroes Run? What makes it different?
Well, this is pareho rin po siya more or less sa last year na Heroes Run din sa Central Command sa Cebu, in which natay incorporate na obstacle course. Unlike other normal runs na ito ang gina-joinan, ginapilan, kini siya na siya ikaw mismo ang hero. No? You will be running as a hero kay na siya obstacle course na naasad siya. We have so many surprises along the way. And another one, ang atong gidugang sa karon nga year is kining ato ang squad challenge, which is a 9-man kinahanglan magbuo ka og 9 members for the squad. And then apart from running the 2-mile run or 3.2 kilometers, mo undergo ka sa obstacle course, and lastly naamoy gallery shooting, or you will be shooting live bullets dito sa firing range which was sunod sa camp using the M16 rifle. Standard na issues.
Wow! So di lang ni obstacle course race, kuan pag yun uphill ba yung shooting, ha?
Actually sa amo in the military term mo na sige tawag endurance fighting.
Okay.
So you have to run before kamo mabuto sa imo.
So mura yung soldier in action na yan eh?
You will be running as if you're a soldier. Kaya nagyan ang tema naman.
What is Heroes Run? This Heroes Run is a fundraising activities that aims to help our families of our fallen comrades, yung mga sundalong namatay sa gera. So dako gyud nga tabang, gamay ra na siya na amount of money, but we assure you that you will enjoy the activity. This is a very unique event, considering that this is the whole nation activity, pero diri sa Cebu, you will experience different kind of race. No? There is an obstacle, you will get the feel kung sa ba ang nasa katayuan ng being a soldier. So, grab your friends, katong mga very adventurous minded diha. We are inviting you to experience this fun and excitement, very adventure na race na we especially prepared for you.
Action!
Hello everyone, I'd like to invite you to register our 7th Heroes Run. Please come and visit our New Balance store located at Level 1, Ayala Center, Cebu, UP.
Hi, Cebuanos, runners all over Cebu and all over the Philippines. I'd like to invite you to the 7th Heroes Run. That's the second time in Cebu. We have 3 categories. That's the 2-miler run, the 2-miler with obstacle course, and the very new squad challenge run with shooting gallery. I'd like to invite you all and register, please, at the New Balance store in Ayala. You can also register in Gaisano Country Mall and at the U7 Central Command in Lapu. The 3K plus is worth 400. That involves a singlet, and 3K with obstacle course, you pay 400 with a singlet, and when you finish the obstacle course, you'll get a finisher dog tag. In the squad run challenge, you have to be a 9-man team. You pay 5,000, finish, then the first, second, and third will get a special trophy from the Cebu Heroes Run. Again, we'd like to invite you all. This is on October 7. The gun start will be at 5 a.m. in the morning, and let's all have fun. Be every Filipino a hero.